Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the lead section in Travel Boost. The lead section helps you manage potential customers from their first inquiry until they become a confirmed booking. It keeps your sales process organized so as your team can easily track every customer throughout their journey. Alright? So let's first take a quick tour of the leads page. At the top, you'll see the total number of leads currently in your system. This one is 52 leads. You can filter your leads by their source, such as referral, Facebook, Instagram, email, Google Ads, and WhatsApp. So this allows you to identify which marketing channel generate the most inquiries. Okay? So next, you'll see your pipelines such as sales and Hatch. One of the great features of Travel Boost is that you can create or you can custom your own pipelines based on your business. Here, you can create your pipeline like this one new pipeline and separate workflows of different business line. Your pipeline name, of course, the template. It has Trouble Boost. It has a template, sales, Hatch, corporate, or custom. Okay. So one of the greatest features of Travel Boost is that you can create your own custom pipelines based on your business, as I told you. Whether you're managing corporate travel, rather visa services, tours, or any other travel product, you can customize your pipeline to match your own sales process. And here below is the Kanban board where every lead is organized according to its current sales stage. All right, we're going to go to sales. So you can also quickly search for a customer using this search bar. And so now I'm gonna teach you on how to create a new lead. So click this plus new lead button here, and then first choose the lead type if it's individual or company, business to business. Like for this example, we'll select the individual. So under service needed, choose all inclusive trip like this. So select the appropriate pipeline if it's sales or Hodge. Gonna take sales. So now enter the customer's information, including the first name, last name. Hang on. Yeah. First name, last name, email, phone, nationality, travel details, and of course, if they have children or maybe infants, and of course, the date. And then for this example, let's use John and then Smith. And of course, email, like for example, John at gmail.com. And of course, number, like for example, is plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is just for example, and of course, nationality is American. And destination is let's go to Paris. All right, and of course you can select date like here and to this, and then adults one, maybe let's have this one as well. Go one, and then of course you can select the budget pipeline. Of course, the source. Select the source. If it's walk-in, travel fair, referral, it's via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. So, like for example, in this, let's choose Instagram. And of course, you can assign the agent. Like for example, this one. And then you can create lead. Okay. like this one. So now let's click the on the lead that we created. Hang on. This one, this is the lead that we created. You'll see here. And by the way, you'll see this small icon here. You can select a call, maybe WhatsApp as well. Of course, email. And of course, you can schedule a follow-up. Like for the call John Smith, maybe today. And of course, you can select your preferred time, like this one. Then voila. And now let's click on the lead that we created. As I said, this open the customer's complete profile where you can update customers' information, manage travel details, send proposals, communicate with the customer, and keep track of their booking journey. So let's click. Hang on, still loading. And by the way, later we're gonna talk about the lead stages as well. All right. Hmm. Maybe like for example, we created this earlier because still loading. Yeah, this one. So in this one, the lead name is Abdella. So you see here, the new contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation won or lost, which is the lead stages. All right. So you can see their overview, which is, of course, their contact, email, phone, WhatsApp, or maybe nationality, and of course, the travel details, destination, travel date from, travel date to, travelers and accommodation, and of course, the pipeline, like for example, source, and then assigned to, and of course, when it is created. And you can also write a note for this one, like for example, add note. That's it. And then the leads will see the note that you've created. All right. And of course, you can see also the documents, right? You can also upload the passport. All right. You can also see the proposal. You can add new proposal. Of course, their invoices, Hajj, you'll see here. Of course, the transport. Let's go back signing because we've been logged out. Okay, let's go to leads again. And then where are we? Yeah, we are here. Yeah, transport. If it's pick up, drop off, transfer, tour. This one, pick up, drop off, or tour and transfer. Of course, you can see also the rental. You can assign car rental, all right? And lastly, you can see the activity, all right? You can compose email, you can message them via WhatsApp call, email, WhatsApp meeting, and you can also add tasks. Oh. For this one, there is a follow-up. And now let's discuss about the lead stages. So as you work with the customers, you can move the lead stages through each stage of your sales pipeline. Let's briefly go through each one. New, the inquiry has been received, and then they contacted is you've reached out to the customers. And then for the qualified is the customer is interested and is a good fit for your services. And of course, proposal sent, you've already sent quotation or travel package. In here there are 6. And then next is negotiation. You're discussing pricing, travel options, or making adjustments before the booking is finalized. And then the next one is one. So this one is the customer has been confirmed the booking and like start paying for it. And then lastly is loss, which is the customer decided not to proceed. So here there are three. So you see here the number of new contacted as well, qualified, and then proposal sent, negotiation, won, and then lastly lost. All right. And by the way, in the upper right corner, you can switch between different views. The Kanban view display leads as card like this, organized by sales stage, making it easy to visualize, track progress, and move leads using the drag and drop. Okay, like this, drag and drop. Okay, and then if you prepare a more detailed table, you can switch to list view. Let's switch it. These display all your leads in a spreadsheet style laid out like this. And then this display making it easier to sort, filter, and review customer information. All right. So let's go back to Kanban view. And then next, click the analytics. All right. Let's click it. So the analytic dashboard gives you a valuable insight into your sales performance. Okay, here you'll find important metrics such as total leads, open, won, win rate, and then AVG sales cycle. And you'll also see the conversion rates showing how many leads successfully move from one stage to the next. All right. Another useful report is the stage velocity, which measures how long leads typically remain in each stage of the pipeline. You see here. All right. So these reports help you identify bottlenecks, improve follow-ups, measure your team's performance, and make better business decisions. And of course, you can see the lead sources as well, where you, lead sources is where your leads came from, like Facebook, email, Instagram, referral, up to webhook. All right, so see here the top sources. The first one is the Facebook. Okay, you can also click the see all, and that's it. And that's how you use the leads module or lead section in Trouble Boost. You learn to how to navigate the leads page, create a new lead, manage customer progress through each sales stage, create your own custom pipelines as well, switch between Kanban and list views, and use analytics to monitor your sales performance. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.